Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's video we are going to unbox the Seiko here, and this watch is on loan from our boutique, my good friends from our boutique, Mr. Eric. Thank you very much for loaning me these watches. And we've got a Seiko, very standard type of retail box, outer box, inner box, cardboard box, and here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is some kind of a limited edition Seiko, and during this launch, this series here is called the 140th anniversary. Alright, so yes, I'm right about that one. So 140th anniversary models, I think there were 3 models. There was this 5KX model, and there was a 63 mass model. That one would be SPB 213, I think, and if I'm not wrong, there's one more higher end model, and that should be one of those Marine Masters kind of thing. So this one here belongs to the budget or entry level category, and it is actually a bone stock 5KX. Let's take a look at the reference number. This is the SRPG47K1. Alright, so very handsome looking watch here. So I think these days, you know, this look here, the white dial and blue bezel look here is, you know, a big thing, and many brands are really quick to launch their diver watch or diver style watches in this color combination. And of course, you know, Seiko being the king of mix and match dial and bezel, I think, you know, they're pretty fast to jump on the bandwagon. So I've just put aside all the packaging and zoomed in the lens a little bit for you to have a look at the watch close up. So very handsome looking Seiko 5 here, the new Seiko 5 Sport series, and of course it has that new revamped Superman logo or shield logo, which is actually a 5 or S, depending on which cam you belong to. So I'm in the cam of 5. I think this is a stylized number 5. I'm liking this version. Alright, they've got applied Seiko logo and painted shield logo, so I think this is a really nice touch, and texturing on the dial is really good here. The waffle and tapestry dial, is that the way to pronounce it? Okay, so even the bezel here has got a slight texturing going on, the blue bezel, the aluminum insert. So if you go closer, I think you will notice that the seconds hand and the borders of our minute hands, I think they're also painted blue. I don't believe these are heated, so I'm just, you know, move the watch a little bit for you to see during the light play. You know, there's actually some blue accents going on in the borders of the hands. Okay, and the markers, I think they look like they're applied. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure if they're applied. They don't look very 3D, but there's a bit of layering going on, so you can't say that they are flat. So whatever it is, they've done a really good job at producing this style here. So of course this watch here comes on a bracelet, and as expected, this one here is not from the Pro Spec series, and you can see this mold line along the links here. So right in the center here, you can see the mold line. Okay, I don't know what you call this line here. So it is an indication that this is not a true blue full solid link, and of course we've got non-solid or hollow end links here. Not a big deal, alright, totally not a big deal, because when you wear the watch, you don't really see the end link, so it's not a big deal at all. Nice. Let's take a look at the bezel action here. Ooh. Okay, so the bezel action is also pretty good. Okay, feels a little bit tighter than usual, even tighter than my Pro Specs diver watch, and a bit of misalignment going on, but not by much, not an issue. Let's go on and check for the hand alignment. Oh, sorry, this is a non-screw down crown, so I'm just gonna do the 2 pops, and then let me just do really quick hand alignment check. Okay, so let's start with 2 o'clock. Alright, seems pretty good. 4 o'clock, and I think no issues at all with hand alignment. Okay, it all seems pretty solid here. Okay, I've been pretty lucky. Alright, so these watches, they are not selected. Okay, so when I loan these watches, Eric doesn't select for me the best alignment or anything like that. So I've been pretty lucky with Seiko QC. Okay, in this sense, I think you know, people have been complaining about their alignment and all that, but so far I think I've been pretty lucky. And here's a fake wrist shot of the SRPG47 on my wrist. So it is not a very big watch. Okay, about 43 or 44 millimeters case size, I think, and the thickness is about 13.5, pretty standard, like a Seiko diver kind of, Seiko 5 or SKX kind of dimension. So all in all, a very interesting limited edition release. I have no idea how limited these watches are. I don't think they actually say how many pieces will be made, but well, it says limited edition or special edition. So stay tuned for the full review coming out in a few weeks. This is the Watch Kaki from Singapore. Bye bye.